Hello everyone. In the previous video, I showed you how to create the project and how to execute the project. So by default, React will provide some dummy UI. I want to modify that content in this video. So let's start. So for this one, we need to have a project. So please create the project, create -react-app project name. Next one. So as I told earlier, all our project content contains it all available in what folder? SRC folder. So clear everything from the SRC folder. Sir, everything is completed. So it is empty now. Now in this folder, create the index.js file. Now let me show you that. Right click, open with code, means that is nothing but for development I am using the Visual Studio Code editor. So VS Code download you can search. Now go to the visualstudio.com. Now you can see user installer, either go with the 32-bit or other the one, or you can go with the system installer, means for the all users install the corresponding version in your machine. Now once you install, you can have the shortcut here, open with the code. So right now your entire project is available in the VS Code. Now let us create our index.js file. In React we are going to create all our JavaScript files only. So in this folder we should have one index.js file. Sir, okay, I created the index.js file. So can you tell me what is the code? First one, import the libraries. Import the libraries. What is the first step, sir? Import the libraries. Next one, create the components. Create the components. Finally, display. Create the components and finally display. So very simple. First one, I am importing the React related one of the library, React-DOM, because I want to display on the UI. Now observe React-DOM. So I have the React-DOM is ready. Next one, sir, I want to display very simple logic where element equal to, you can take any variable name, but I am taking element here. H1 means hello world. I have the hello world logic is ready. So the content I want to display to the user is ready. Next one, so very simple, React DOM dot render, provide the element. Okay, I am providing the element. I want to display the element. Sir, at what place? At what place? So remember one point, we have the index.html. In the index.html we have one section div id equal to root. So by default user will see the index.html when the user type localhost colon 3000. So very simple logic, sir. Sir, I want to display at this stage, at this place. So first access this element. How you are going to access a document dot get element by id, provide the id value. So what is the id value, sir? Root. So very simple. Right now we are asking the React display the element in the div section. That's it. So this is the content we are writing. So let us walk through what we did just now. Load the libraries, create the view or template or component related things. Next one, display. Sir, everything is ready. Let us execute the project. So we discussed all these things earlier. How you are going to execute the command project, sir? npm start. So see, sir, hello world. Okay, let us open the inspect. Now you can see here your content exactly display at what elements, sir? Root element, div id equal to root element. So right now Right now we configured this one in our application. Sir, can I configure ABC? Yes, you can configure ABC, but this ABC should match with at least one element. We should have one match. So this is what you are going to work your web application or client side of your web application by using the React. So very simple. What are the three steps, sir? Create the project. What is the command? Create hyphen react hyphen create hyphen react hyphen app example 1. So automatically it will create the project. Next one, clear all the contents from the src folder. Means by default it will create some dummy UI related logic there, so I don't want that. Simply I want to remove everything. Okay, I cleared everything. Next one, create the index.js file. So in the React project, in the src folder, we should have index.js file. This is our starting point of our code. So right now we have the index.js. So in this one we are writing three things: import the libraries, create the component, and display the one. So right now how you are going to import some dummy name. You can also give the ABC also, and what library you are importing? React hyphen DOM. Next one, sir, create the component. Right now we are creating the component contains only UI logic, but in future I am going to show you how you are going to create view and the corresponding logic. Means HTML and the corresponding logic we are going to see. Sir, I have the component I want to display to the user. Now display this one at what a placer at the root place as a child. So that is what this render method will do. So I hope you understand the things, and please practice the same.